it's Red Switch again. I just want to tell you something. Sometimes it is so embarrassing when I have to trip a breaker in front of other breaker boxes. It is just so embarrassing. Like, why do we have to do that? It's just like so embarrassing. Like, it's like if a human farted in front of another human. Like, if I trip a breaker in front of another breaker box, it is so embarrassing. If I feel like I'm gonna trip a breaker, I need to go off and hide and just let it go there. Like, I need to go like to the bathroom or something and like trip a breaker because I don't know why. Sometimes I just feel so embarrassed. But at the same time, it might be funny whenever that thing trips. Okay, bye-bye now.